Hello, everyone, and welcome to another edition of DebtAintMyDaddy. My name is LJ Young, and I am a 100% debt-free motivational speaker and personal finance educator. I help people become financially free by helping them financially see outside the debt matrix, or what I call the debt matrix. The debt matrix is a place where I lived for the first 40 years of my financial life, and I had no idea I was living there until one day I woke up, jumped out of the debt matrix, and now I live in the debt-free world. I owe nobody on earth a dime. Nobody, no entity, nothing, right? Look at me as the medium between the two worlds, the debt matrix and the debt-free world, right? I'm the medium. I understand both languages now. I help people cross over by exposing what I call the glitches in the debt matrix. And the glitches in the debt matrix are things that don't make financial sense, but nobody really questions it. You know, they just go, oh, okay, everybody else is doing it, I guess I'll do it too, right? And here's a quick example of a glitch in the debt matrix so you can understand that credit is nothing more than a business designed to keep people confused and in debt if you're on the wrong side of it, okay? Now, here's an example. Say like you're going to finance a car, you checked all three of your credit scores and Experian was the highest score on your credit report, right? Can you walk in and say, hey, salesman, when you run my credit, make sure you use the TransUnion credit score? Have you ever did that? Have you ever even thought of doing that? Today's video is actually a request by a follower on my DebtAintMyDaddy Instagram. And it's a meme that I had put out on my Instagram page and my Facebook /DebtAintMyDaddy. It's a meme that said the following, and I'm going to read it, okay? Ever wonder why there are so many credit repair fix-it people? It's because the things they'll do won't make a difference. You'll still be in debt. And to really know if you're in debt, because some people really don't know that they're even in debt. So this is all you have to do. Use this master mathematical formula on your personal finances, and it'll change your life. Savings minus debt equals how much money you have in real life. Now all you got to do is believe it. Once you believe and understand whatever that number is the price of your financial freedom, you be on your way to becoming rich, wealthy, be whatever you want to be. But you have to believe it. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not talking down about credit repair, fix-it people. Not even nothing negative. It's a business. How I feel about it is a feeling. Never mix feelings with business. It has how I feel about credit repair, fix-it people is 100% irrelevant. They are providing a service to people that believe they need credit. They believe they need it. They are there to service you. I'm 100% debt-free and fully understand that credit is nothing more than a tool. Just like a hammer, nail, gun, dolly, it's nothing more than a tool. I understand that I don't need it. Credit repair people usually just remove errors on your credit report, catch businesses slipping because they have like 30 days to respond to a request. And if the companies don't respond within 30 days, they have to remove it, right? And so what that'll do is temporarily improve your credit score. You'll get they're going to deliver the service that they offered you by doing this for you. So it's going to raise your credit score. That's the only thing you're doing. They're not getting rid of any debt. They're clearing some room so you can get a better credit score and go deeper in debt. Now, some of the companies that might have been sleeping on the 30-day time limit, if it's a legit debt, they can just put that debt right back on your credit report. If you sign for it, it's yours. If you don't believe you can pay that, or you don't want to pay it, or you just want to pretend it's not there, whatever. Math doesn't care how you feel about that debt. Math doesn't care if you have a bad day, you're crying about it, you're upset about it. Math doesn't care. The math says it's still that number. I'll wait till you're done crying. All right, you almost done? Yeah, it's still the same number. You have to do whatever it takes to get rid of that number. You must get rid of it. You get rid of that number, it will change your life forever, just like mine. This is what I want to leave you guys with, okay? Now, I want you to sit back and really imagine, what would it feel like? What would it feel like to have no debt? Imagine what it would feel like if you had a job and the basic necessities and no debt, zero debt, none, and cash in the bank. You don't owe nobody nothing. Imagine what that would feel like. Imagine the relief off of your brain Now hold that feeling for a second. I feel that every single day. That is my life today. That's my life.